Hi, Miss Hand. I'm Andy. If you ever had a scratch disc, I'm gonna teach you how to fix it. So on this disc, which is my dad's, it's a movie and it has some scratches on it. Oh, you can see it. Wait. Yeah, you see them a little bit on there. Okay. I have 4 methods on how to get scratches out of a disc, either a DVD or a movie or whatever it is. Okay. So first method is you get your scratch disc and you either get alcohol tablets, or not tablets, but little wipies, or cotton and rubbing alcohol. You get the rubbing alcohol. You go to the actual scratch itself, right there, and you go towards the scratch outwards. Even these are horizontal or vertical, no, even if these are horizontal, but from going from inside out, you still got to go in to out. Eventually, just keep doing it until the scratch goes away. Don't put too much pressure on it because it could actually ruin the disc. And eventually, once you're all done, you want to keep rinsing it. I don't have a sink, so I'm using a tub of water. You kind of just keep rinsing it as you go, and you kind of just keep doing it as the scratch kind of goes away, kind of fades away after a while. You're supposed to do it for at least a couple minutes or so, but we don't have that kind of time, so we're gonna go on to the next method. Okay, our next method is you get a banana, brand new banana. Hopefully that's not brown and molded. Let's cut that off. Okay, get half a banana, just break it off like you're gonna eat it. And just like with alcohol wipes, you take the banana and you find your scratch and you just do the same thing. You kind of just push them out and it kind of fills in the void of the scratch itself. And you're supposed to do this for at least a minute, kind of rub in circles and then kind of go at an upward pace. Each one of these methods you should take at least 30 seconds to a minute just to kind of go in and do some work to it. See, it's kind of going away as we speak. And once you're all done, you just take it again and wash it off with warm water. It's starting to come out pretty good. That's our second method. Our third method, gonna get a little messier. You get some toothpaste and you get that all the way to the top. This one's kind of, oh, maybe. I hope I brought some toothpaste. Oh my goodness. Well, I thought this was a little bit better than I thought. But anyway, you take the toothpaste, put it right on the disc. Okay. And you just take it it's a really gritty, so you want to push it right into the actual scratch itself. Put it around there, let it sit. You're supposed to let it sit for at least a minute or so. Once you let it sit for a little bit, again, you take it, you wash it off. But I recommend to go ahead and kind of smooth it in, get it in there, make sure it's nice in the scratch itself, and kind of push it around. And once you obviously let it sit for a minute or so, kind of just put it through warm water again and just wash it all off. Make sure you get it all off, make sure there's no residue on there. It's kind of messy, but get it all off nice and clean. Nice and minty. Okay. The next step, the next method we have is good old Vaseline or petroleum jelly. Let's get some of this. Stick it right on the scratches. Same thing, just like the other methods. You want to kind of put it on there, make sure it's nice and in the scratch, move it around, push it in to out. Once it's on there, let it sit for about a minute to 30 seconds. Once it's on there, again, just wash it off. Get it all off there and everything. And your scratch should be gone by now. It's kind of hard to do so in this little pool tub because it's not running water, but you get the idea. So that's how you get scratches out of a disc. Thank you.